Hi guys, Coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. Today I won't be showing you guys any trading activities. I will just be processing a withdrawal. You can see I have 358,409. So I'm just gonna process a withdrawal. I'm just going to process a withdrawal, and yeah, they're just gonna need my basically personal credentials and all that. So I'll be processing a withdrawal of about 120,000 USD, which is equivalent to 2 million. Allow me to fill in my personal information and then I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, so my withdrawal request has been received. As the withdrawal, now I just have to wait and see. Yeah, amen. I hope upcoming traders are inspired. Thank you.